How to install Steam on Windows PC. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for Steam, and after that you have to click on the first web link, and you just have to click on the install Steam button from here. And after clicking on it, you just have to click on install Steam, and the Steam installer is downloaded, and you just have to click on yes and click on next, and you just select the language you want. So I'll go with English and then click on next, and you just have to select the destination folder, and I'll let it be and install. And Steam is already started installing. So then it just started updating the Steam, and then finally it will install successfully on my PC. So you just have to wait until the Steam is updating, and the update is complete. So now you just have to sign in with your account name and password. So let's say my account email is this one, and the password should be this one, and you just have to click on sign in to log into your. So as you can see, I have just successfully logged in. It just needs a code sent to my email. So for that, accessor, so you just have to simply copy the code from here and paste it, and you will be logged into your Steam account. So as you can see, it's now logged in. You just have to close it, and the Steam is now successfully installed on my PC, and I have just successfully logged into my Steam account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.